guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the blog posts on Wix. So let's get started. So to do that, using to open a blog that you have created in Wix, then click on this blog option right here. This option will not appear if you have a store on Wix right here. So click on blog. Then once you click that, you will oversee this right here. So click on this post right here. So let's click on that. And then once you have clicked on posts, it will show you all of the posts that you have created on Wix. So let's just wait for this right here. Now, as you can see, I have created 2 posts. If you want to create another post, just click on this create new post right here. And then this will open the Wix blog post editor. So just type in here a title. And then from in there, just head over and just put your blog as usual. So just put everything right here. You can add images, videos, hashtags, and more. So I will just doodle here some options because it's just a tutorial. And then once you have done that, you can actually just see that it has already been saved because autosave is on. And once you have done that, click on publish as file. And once it's been published, it will appear on your blog post that you have created on your website. So as you can see, there's now 3 blog posts on my website. If you want to add another one, just click on this right here and you should be able to add it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add blog posts and Wix. If you have found this video helpful, some leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps for reach more people. See you soon.